Hey guys, Sportshot here, and we're going to be doing a review of the Blue Yeti Nano. I'm doing this because I put a poll up on the community tab on YouTube and asked people whether or not they wanted to see a review for this microphone, and an overwhelming majority said yes, so here it is. Now keep in mind that all the audio in this video is recorded with the Blue Yeti microphone because it's the only microphone that I have right now, but it's been doing really good. Now let's get into some of the physical controls of the Blue Yeti Nano. The first thing that you might see is the big green circle. You can just press that button to turn the microphone on or off. Then if we flip to the back, you should be able to see a kind of blue light with a button that will be able to change cardioid versus omnidirectional recording. Cardioid will just record in the front, and omnidirectional will just record all around the microphone. You can see them from the odd shape being cardioid and the circle being omnidirectional. To switch between the two, you just press the flat black button on the back. And this microphone isn't like traditional microphones where you speak into the top of it. You can see that the microphone is kind of round at the top. You want to speak in the front facing for cardioid, which is the face that has the on-off button on it. Next, we'll be getting into kind of the structure of the microphone. First of all, the microphone has a removable stand, which can be kind of useful because also the microphone has a connector piece that comes with it in the box that you can simply screw into the microphone and use with any like standard microphone arm stand. Now, a really awesome thing about this microphone is that it is plug and play, meaning you can just plug it in, and then in your settings you can select which audio device you want to use, and it uses a micro USB, which is really common among Android devices and most batteries. Now I'm going to be getting into the software of the microphone. I will leave a link to download it in the description from the official website, but essentially all the software lets you do is you can go between cardioid and omnidirectional on your computer instead of pressing the button, and also you can read descriptions on what cardioid and omnidirectional are, and then you can also change your gain level or volume, which I like to keep at 85, and your playback. You can also change your playback level, which is used when you have a 3.5mm jack plugged into your microphone, so you can have your earbuds in your microphone and listen to yourself speak if you want to hear the quality of the microphone or your background noise. Now let's get into some technical aspects of the microphone. First of all, the microphone can record in 2-channel 24-bit 48 quality, as you can see here from the settings. And then you can also change the gain level from inside of the settings if you really wanted to, and then also it's really just a really good normal microphone. Nothing really too special about it. Now that's going to be about it for this microphone review of the Blue Yeti Nano. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section down below. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and hit the bell notification button for more videos like this daily. It's going to be about it. Thanks for watching.